Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Dusk Pro 3.0 Razer review. So I want to make you sure that you watch this video and you will get all this information about this product. So this is the official website, and this product have generated a lot of attention for its features and performance. But potential buyers should consider both of its benefits and the concerns raised in various reviews. Now, why I'm saying that the Dusk Pro 3.0 Razer is marketed as waterproof, rechargeable saver designed for the smooth, irritation-free experience, particularly in sensitive areas. But does it comply what this company is promising to us? So here, these are the concerns and red flags. This is a new website, and if you don't know, this website is just made in June 2024, which raises concerns about this company longevity and reliability. Now let's go to the bottom here, right? And these are the reviews, and don't trust these reviews completely because these reviews can be made, and if you run your own website, you know that you have the full authority to change the stuff. Now here, if I want to show, just want to know that the contact info, there's nothing here. I will just try to go to their homepage, and then we will just try to get it to the contact option here. Okay, so not in the top menu, in the bottom menu. No, actually no. About us, contact us. What happen if I just face any kind of issue regarding the product? Whom I will call? There's nothing in this video, right? And this is on Amazon. They are selling it, but there's no reviews. It means that this product have not been sold in a trade amount, right? And this is a Reddit. You can check this out. Dusk Pro review here, and check out the reviews on the official website. Now that is funny because, of course, this is funny because when I show you, let's just go back and read the reviews. You will come to know what they are talking about. So I was skeptical about the LED light, but they truly illuminate the skin well, enhancing the saving experience. Okay, so yeah, it's a completely human preference that you can concern or trust those reviews. And transparency, which I shown you, the questionable reviews. Some reviews on the official site may appear inflated or or unverified, leading to a skepticism about the product legitimacy. So I cannot consider this product a completely scam, right? But you can just go through this website. If you want, you can just purchase, but you will come to know. And here, these are some of the genuine reviews given by the Reddit user. And if you don't trust the Reddit, you can try the product yourself, right? So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.